Phil BC Jinui Bishop Pharmacist Shalno Rugui Kokti Shalo Agartala Pharmacist College of Panda Shongtizakha Pando Nogrengai Manjagikha Montreokra Dr. Manik Shaha Te Shakhampetikni Tangfang Devasis Boshunok Hobe Shakhampetikni Kupuni Anu Robotong Bakha Te shak muchungui thirmani pandaba shongchakha pandawa monjokra bini koklam narak thani shakha betego samung tangnai rokni samungni kokno te koklam narakha te aboni logi logi fil bisi chine bisho pharmacy shal nodrugai rungsrungnai rokno khaka hambaya farka
moment for us that in Tripura also there is a really appreciable thing that regional institute has been set up here. I know regarding this institution, they have in this institution there are some faculty scarcity. So in that direction, already we have directed our officials to fulfill all the backend or as per requisition of this institution, and it should be immediately fulfilled, because without teachers one cannot be totally grown up or will not be properly taught, or in future also they cannot provide their excellence in their field. In medical line, you see, previously what we thought that only doctor, but we know that only doctor cannot solve the problems of the suffering people. So doctors need nurses, so we need BSc nursing, then MSc nursing, then other allied peoples of the medical areas. So pharmacy is no way inferior to any medical faculty. So I appreciate, and I know that during our this graduation period, we enter the pharmacology department. So in that pharmacology department, we were taught how to prepare. You know, there are some marking and all. The previously, you know how to prepare the drugs and all. Now everything has been changed. So new inventions are there. So in future, the students who were getting the teaching from this institution, I'm sure they will earn the name and fame of our state. And particularly, I have been informed that about 65% of the students from outside of Tripura. Time is very constant for me, and for that, I express my sorry to all that I have to go within 5 minutes. So within 5 minutes, I have to tell whatever I like. So today is the 12th World Pharmacist Day 2022, and to celebrate this occasion on dais, Dr. Devashish Basu, our Secretary, Health and Family Welfare, present. Professor Dr. Chinmay Biswas, Director, DME, Director of Medical Education. Dr. Subhashish Devarma, Director, Health Service, Government of Tripura. And Professor Mohammad Salahuddin, Principal, Almin College of Pharmacy, Bangalore. I welcome you for a long distance. From a long distance you have come here all the way. And Professor Dr. Shubhakanto Das, Principal, RIPSA. And in front of me, all the students of this institute. First time I came over here and heard about this institution. And in front of me, all the media peoples are present. So this time, you have some slogan that pharmacy, this year, the pharmacy united in action for a healthier world. It's a very good slogan. during our time we never have thought of that we have or we had this kind of institution in Tripura. Today when I entered and I visited the blood donation camp, and when I asked the students from where you have come from, they said that in different states of Northeast mostly they have come. So I feel very happy that during our time we were to go outside for this kind of study, particularly G Pharma, then B Pharma, then M Pharma also have started. Dr. Chinmay Biswas was telling me. Imagine that at this amount the people will come over here. So I will not tell anything more over here because of this constant time. I have to go. You know, today we are celebrating 107th birthday of Pandit Dinadayalji, our mentor. You know, so what he said that only bodily or physically, if you are satisfied, a man cannot be complete. So we have to be complete in intellect, in soul, in heart and mind. So in 4 areas, if you are completely upgraded or properly taught, then you will be a complete man. If you are complete man, the society would be complete, then our country would be complete. And moreover, today is Mahalaya, and আমার ব্যক্তিগত তরফ থেকে সবাইকে my greetings to all, and with this end in view I conclude my speech. Thank you very much. নমস্কার.